Hello everyone. Just translate the video to English. As you can see, here is a Mirabox 293 model, but the setup for DCS F18 is the same as S model. So just use this video as example. As you can see here, it's a briefly unboxing of the product, and later on, this guy in the video will show you how to configure the DCS, bind to the Lua script. This is a cable. This is a stand, this menu. The video is just demonstrate you how the stand works. It's 2 or 3 gears, but in order to show you more clearly in the video, I think this guy would lie down on the table and to show the buttons and straightforward to the camera. Then it's installing the software. And I'll append the software in the links, and so you could download it. And it's got an English version as well. So yeah, and this is a plugin. I'll also attach this plugin as attachments, so you can download it and install into both ends, and one end in the Stream Dock, the other end in the DCS game. So 2 ends can communicate, so it can get a data from date and to and from. As you can see here is this example. Once you install the plugin successfully, you can see the DCS interface on the right sidebar. And there are a few types of buttons, like the switch, the momentary button with lamps. It can show the light on, light off, and on no status button, you can use for the UFC button, 1 to 9 and to 0, and also some other buttons can display some information. As you can see here is the script side of the DCS game, and in the export Lua file, and you can insert a line to make the communication works and towards your Stream Dock application. You can easily pause the video, and you can see the path or whatever the text in the video, and then launch the game. I think it's firstly to teach you how to bind the switch and button. The 3 parts. The first part is how the command icon settings is when you fire the button and how it's take effect in the game. And the second part is the other way, whatever take from the game and show some different status in the Stream Dock button. And third part is just purely display whatever the information on the button. And so for the switch, once you configure it correctly, you can see a list of, once you click the refresh button, and once you got a list of numbers and all of this information, it means it's successful. So you can search simply, for example, the ARM and some keywords in the search bar, and you can get some useful keys or items here. As you can see, the values could be 1 or -1, indicates the toggle value of the switch. So it's just to try out the 1 value. If you don't know the one, either 1 or -1, you should switch and just take one for experiment, and you don't know normally. So after it's configured, and let's go into the game to see how it works. And look at the ARM and save button. You can see it's once you trigger from your Stream Dock, actually it's working in the game simultaneously. So it's working. So it's all done for the button. So it will learn set up the AA and AG model. So as you can see here, is actually the name of it is master mode button. You got two buttons, one for AA, another for AG. So you can, like a similar way, you can experiment just setting up the first one, for example, and see how it works. Then you can see it working now. So if you haven't got it, you can just pause the video like before here, and you can see how it actually set it up. And the AA and the AG text actually you just simply like input manually, so make it work. So whatever the style, the text, the fonts, like just whatever you like. Then for the AG, I think it's just the user value increments by 1, so you can see the value here. They like set up the display for the field level. For F18, like another method, instead of searching in the box, you can open the Lua file, and it's a lot of way you can just pause the video again. Like you can find the name of the file and the path of it, and you can just search field in this file, so you can find it more easily in this way. So you can see here is up field, down field, the value is 2008, 2009. So for this video, just to try out either of them. And you can see here, it's already grabbing the value in the display. So yeah, you can also alternatively like just find out like whatever it looks like to you is a field level. It's obviously these two values looks quite familiar with that. And yeah, you can see here, actually, you already got the value and it can be displayed on the button on your Stream Dock. Yeah, here we go. So there are also a few other like functions, like the folder. You can create one and click into that. You can like have subcategories, for example, the takeoff and the landing panel and some UFC panels, etc. So you can just customize your Stream Dock profiles in different games like DCS or Euro Truck Simulation and so on. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the translation of this video. Enjoy it. If you got any questions, feel free to reach me or email or Discord or anyways, like you can contact me. Cool. Thank you and hope you enjoy the game.